Hey captains, thinking about your next flying opportunity? Here are the top 5 reasons to fly in China in 2025. Emanated from GGB Recruitment Company. Reason 1. Great income. A320 captains in China enjoy excellent pay, strong base salary, flight hour bonuses, housing support, and paid leave. You can live well and still save more than in many other countries. Reason 2. Modern A320 fleet. You will fly the newest Airbus, A320 and A321 aircraft, including A320 neo models with the latest technology and safety standards. Modern jets, smooth flights, every pilot's dream. Reason 3. Expanding routes. China's domestic and regional networks are huge and strong and still growing. You will fly to big cities, scenic destinations, and new routes opening every year. Reason 4. International team. You will work with pilots from all over the world. A supportive, professional, and friendly community that makes flying here even more rewarding. Reason 5. Job stability. China's aviation market is booming again. Airlines are growing fast and need experienced captains like you, offering stable contracts and steady schedules. So there you have it. Great income, modern fleet, more routes, international teamwork, and long-term stability. Ready for your next adventure in the sky? Your will flight starts here in China 2025. Thank you.